Hello everyone, this is Gardena and welcome to my channel, Handmade by Gardena. And today I'm going to show you the 7 Days of Spring Kits by Dear Julie and Cara Brandon Creations that we are going to start on March the 20th. And we're going to use the hashtag 7 Days of Spring 2021. It's going to start on March the 20th. You can get these kits in Cara Brandon's Etsy shop and Dear Julie's Etsy shop for 50% off until the 19th. And you can come and join along with this. So this is what you do is you take Dear Julie's day and Cara Brandon's day and you combine them together and you make something with it. And it's a lot of fun. This is the third time that we've done this collaboration. We did it at Christmas and we did it at Valentine's. So now we're going to do a spring collaboration. So these are the kits. So this is Dear Julie's Day 1. She has this beautiful envelope with a butterfly, some calling cards, a Flinch card, and a little journaling card here. Cara Brandon has made a collage page with some beautiful flowers, some butterflies, and lots of greenery. So that is day 1 of Cara Brandon. And that is day 1 of Dear Julie. So here is day 2 of Dear Julie. She has some journaling cards with some calling cards, little library card here, and a little playing card here. And Cara Brandon, she has a large tag here with some butterflies, some tickets, and some stamps, journaling card here, and some ephemera here. So there's day 2. And with Dear Julie, everything that she has on hers, it's everything that she owns. She literally owns these things. She can, like, pick them up and show them to you. Where Cara creates hers on the computer. So they're 2 completely different styles, yet they go together and you create something with it. So they go really good together. So this is day 3. We have another playing card, Flinch card, some receipts here, and this looks like, says Beehive Stores. And it has some flowers and all that on it. So that's day 3 of Dear Julie. And Cara Brandon has made another collage page with some writing on it and some frames. So that's a pretty collage there for day 3. Day 4, Dear Julie has took 4 postcards and made day 4. This one says A Joyful Birthday and Year 1903 book. And this has some writing on it, but I can't really tell what it is. Cara Brandon, this is her day 4. She has a large pocket, some butterflies, some ephemera up through here, and a ticket, a wooden nickel, and some ephemera here. So it will be okay to take Cara's wooden nickel in this circumstance. My grandpa always would tell me, don't take any wooden nickels from anyone. Okay, day 5. Dear Julie Julie, she has a library card here with the library pocket here, some ephemera here, and JB Hazel stamp, I think that says. Stationeer, 250 Court Street, Brooklyn. So that's pretty. And Cara Brandon on day 5 has made some library cards with some journaling cards. And she has made some little writing ephemera. It says, shine like the sun, flower, blossom, bloom where you are planted, and the garden is the mirror of the soul. So that's day 5. Day 6, Dear Julie Julie has this large receipt from 1899 from Walter C. McIntyre and Company, Doctor. That's cool. Another calling card. Cara Brandon's day 6 has some journaling cards, butterflies and flowers, lots of small ephemera, some labels, small tag, some tickets, and some stamps. So that's day 6. Day 7, Dear Julie Julie has took the 2 large receipts and added flowers in them. Year 1903 book. Added some really pretty flowers here with some butterflies. Same here, some beautiful flowers here. And I don't see a date on them because it has 1900 something other, and that has 24 on it, and then it cuts it off. And then Cara Brandon has made some very pretty journaling cards, some more labels, 2 different kinds of labels because there's some labels there. That one's 1855, 1857. That's copyright labels, and small ephemera there. So that's our 7 days of spring. And we're going to start that on Saturday. So going over to, I printed mine off on parchment paper. It's ivory colored parchment cardstock paper that I'm going to do mine on. So it shows up a little bit different. But go on over to Cara Brandon Creations Etsy shop and Dear Julie Julie's Etsy shop. I'll have it linked below in the description box. And join us in the collaboration and use the hashtag 7 Days of Spring 2021. Remember, it's 50% off until March the 19th. And you can join us on the 7 Days of Spring collaboration. And put it on your, if you have a YouTube channel, use this hashtag, or you can put it on your Instagram or your Facebook, even if you don't have a YouTube channel. And it's a lot of fun. Like I said, this is the 3rd time that we've done this collaboration, and we've had a really great time doing it because they're probably getting tired of us asking them to do it all the time, because we do. We have a lot of fun of doing it. But remember to do your 5 minutes of happiness. And I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers. I think I like about 17 or 18 more subscribers, and I will be up to 250 subscribers. So I'll be doing a giveaway. If we're in the middle of this 7 days here, I will do the giveaway right after this, because this is 7 consecutive days. So I'll do it right after this if we're in the middle of this, just to let y'all know. But I hope the new subscribers, I hope y'all like my channel. Like to have fun on my channel. Always want to promote happiness on my channel. Want everyone to smile. So every day, I always tell everyone to smile. So smile 5 minutes a day. Just think of happy thoughts. Put on a smile. Spread your smile around the world. So welcome to all my new subscribers. Hope you enjoy my channel. All my current subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. Couldn't do this without you. I appreciate you all very, very much. And I just wanted to show you how this turned out yesterday, where I had did the color burst powders. I added some more of the dictionary page and did some ephemera here from Cara Brandon, and this little butterfly is from Claudia at Timeless Crochet for You. So that's how that turned out, and that was the green and pink, and added some ephemera up front here, and I left the back like it was because I love how that back turned out, and with that texture paste. And I liked how we had the few really dark places too. That turned out really good. So this one is going to be a pocket, although you could have someone journal on the back of it, because I mean the back looks good too to be a journaling card. You just need to put something over this yellow. You could gesso over the yellow, and just because the back turned out beautiful too, I think, also. And then this I'm just going to have as not really a journaling card, but just something decorative to put on the page. So I just wanted to show you all how those cards turned out. And just stop on by Dear Julie's Etsy shop and Cara Brandon Creations Etsy shop. Pick up these 2 kits and join us. We would love to have you all to do this collaboration. Have a lot of fun and show us what all that you would like to create. And like I said, we'll start March 20th. It's 50% off until March the 19th. So the prices are great on these 2 kits. You can buy 1 kit or both kits. Doesn't matter. Make sure you use the hashtag. And I hope you all stay safe, stay healthy, and remember to smile. And I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.